Welcome back to Living It Up. Now, mums never really have it easy. Whether working or stay at home, they're almost always expected to be perfect. So Nikita Mishra caught up with 3 mothers to get some answers.
Not again.
Later.
A typical morning at a working mother's house.
Good morning. When I come back with the breakfast, you should be up and awake, okay?
Rush, rush, rush. Getting the kids ready, getting ready yourself, rushing through breakfast,
Well, I'll be on my way in 5 minutes.
and getting out of the house on time.
Otherwise, you'll be really quick.
And this is a stay-at-home mom's house. A peaceful waking up, lots of smiles and kisses.
Good morning.
Time to drink tea and prepare a lovely breakfast for the kids. And seeing off the kids with a smile. Who makes a better mom? Stay at home or working? We take the mom versus mom debate further with these 3 wonderful ladies. Apurva, who once worked at an export house, is now a stay-at-home mom to her twins. Vinita is a psychiatrist and a working mom. Preeti, she's a content, loving stay-at-home mom to her 2 boys.
When I got to know that we were having twins, I decided to quit because I didn't want to miss out on any part of the children's growing up.
The decision to take on work was taken long before the baby was born. All my life, I couldn't have blamed my child that, at the end of the day, 20 years down the line, somewhere it would have come. I worked so hard to get into something. And, just because you were born, I had to stop working. So that really wasn't there. And I didn't want them to live with the guilt.
When one of the parents is busy with work, the other person has to be the anchor, and I chose to be at home.
Working women are certainly labeled as being greedy and selfish and mad about their careers and high-headed and the lot and irresponsible. I've even heard of some schools declining, admissions to children because their mothers work. So that is certainly there.
If women can balance work and home, they should definitely do it. This is my opinion. I feel that I want to be there for my kids. I want them to be brought up the way